Hey, good Thursday morning, and thank you for checking out your weather update here. Don't forget this Saturday, Mr. Quik will be at the Indianapolis Indy Humane Mutt Strutt event from 9:30 to 2:30. Weather's looking good. We'll talk about that here in just a second. But Mr. Quik will be there giving out medals to the dogs at the end of the race there, printing photos at their information booth, and they'll have magnetic frames for you at their information booth as well. So be sure to check it out here on Saturday. And also they'll be booking services for additional donations to the Indy Humane Society here. So looking at the weather here this morning, today is not looking like a very nice day. We have rain showers this morning out there, and today is going to be a very wet day. The forecast has progressively trended wetter for this period here for today. Earlier, it was looking like we would be mostly dry this week, but now it looks like we're going to see a pretty wet forecast here today and into tonight. We have a chance for some strong storms, but really I think the bigger concern you need to be concerned about is the rain that we're going to see, because as we go into the afternoon and evening, rain will pick up. We'll see heavy rain at times, and also could be some flash flooding because of that rain. Again, the heavier rains will come in 1-2 p.m. and we're just going to see steady rain, heavy at times through the afternoon, evening, and rains will start to become a little bit lighter later tonight. The rain could be as much as 1 to 3 inches through tomorrow morning, and then we'll start to see sunshine tomorrow. In fact, we should see mostly sunny skies by Friday afternoon, maybe a spotty shower, but we will trend things mostly dry. Should be a nice Friday evening out there. Heading out to the Mutt Strutt, temperature Saturday morning in the low 40s. You will want a heavier jacket. It's going to be chilly, but we should see a little bit of sunshine in the morning hours. Should be a decent looking day through about mid-afternoon. Temperatures warming into the low to mid 50s by your lunchtime, probably in about the mid 50s or so by the end of the Mutt Strutt event on Saturday, but we will be dry. The rain chance does not come in until after 3 p.m. So we will get the Mutt Strutt in dry, and then rain shower Saturday evening, windy, and then we'll see temperatures a bit cooler but dry for Sunday. Next week looks active with several chances for rain. Thank you for checking out your forecast. Have a great day.